Hello trader. Binary options are quick money. You just need to open a deal at the right time. The mobile version of vfxAlert and a simple strategy based on technical indicators will help you always be in the market and make money. To start trading, install the vfxAlert mobile version for Android or iOS from the website. Then we select the Pro version of the signals. We recommend starting with the standard package. All program features are available immediately after payment. vfxAlert allows you to trade as you like. Just add your broker to the program and continue to get profit. The first signal for the option will be vfxAlert. We look at the power of the signal, it determines the reliability. Using it, you can quickly determine the market, then get a second confirmation from the strategy. The strategy uses two technical indicators. MACD with standard settings. This indicator works both as a trend and as an oscillator instrument, so it will be the final signal to open an option. Two exponentials, EMA, moving averages with periods of 20 and 30. Trend indicators by which we determine the opening point of the option. The strategy is not intended for trading during flat periods. We trade only if the range is between at least 15 to 25 points. After installing the indicators on binary options charts, we look at the examples of signals. On the screen, trading signals and open options when the following conditions are met. Call option. The price is above the moving average or breaks out from the bottom up. MACD is above the zero level. Put option. Opposite real binary options signals. The price breaks the moving average from top to bottom or moves below. MACD is below zero level. The first option on the pound-yen pair. On vfxAlert, put the signal of medium strength. To confirm, look at the graph. The strategy confirms the signal. The price is below the moving average, the MACD is below the zero level. Open put option. I will open only one option so as not to get a big loss if there are several false signals for the strategy or vfxAlert. It is recommended for beginners to open deals on trend reversals. Options are more risky to continue, the trend can end quickly. Especially on the pound, which goes for the euro, but turns faster. You can also make a profit on its corrections and expiration of 5 to 10 minutes. Look for reversal candlestick patterns, they will be a leading signal. We will hold a quick trading session and leave the market after 3 to 4 profitable auctions and no losses. "30 seconds before expiration. Sellers turned the situation around and continued downtrend. Even if there is still a reversal, there is little time left. The option is in the money. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. The second option is Euro-Yen. vfxAlert on SIG shows call option. We look at the information from the strategy. The vfxAlert signal is confirmed. Uptrend is far from moving average, MACD is above zero. Open call option on a short price rollback. Exponentials moving averages is good at defining the current trend, but should only be used with oscillators. The reliability of signals can be increased by going to a longer time frame. But on-the-minute strategy gives 70 to 80% of the right signals. The longer the sideways movement in the market, the higher the probability of a strong trend after its completion. In such cases it is possible to open trades at the first signs of a moving average reversal and strong signals from vfxAlert. The price is near the opening level, above the moving average. Oscillator indicate a continuation of the uptrend. We are waiting for expiration. In the last seconds, the second option closes in profit. We continue to trade. Again, the pound-yen pair. All vfxAlert shows the call option. Let's confirm the signal with the indicators of the strategy. There is an uptrend, the price is above the moving average. MACD breaks the zero level upwards. You can open the second call option. It is recommended not to trade during periods of low volatility. When the price movements end quickly, corrections and losses on signals begin. We always open up in the direction of the main trend. We do not trade on the output of strong fundamental news and statistics. Technical analysis stops working, the signals are false. If there is profit, we will end the trading session. The trend continues. The decision to stop after the profit is correct. We are calmly waiting for expiration. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than 28 minutes profit $90 or plus of 12% to deposit. It is the very good result.